Hello guys, welcome to the Experts Prime channel, YouTube channel. And today I am going to provide the Polish Basketball League games. And today it is going to be happen between Sopota and Dabrova. And when coming to the season stats is nothing but a player season stats. When you see these starters, Haas, Palikinas, Karol, Pavel and Dominic are the starters, and these are the season stats for these players. When coming to the point guard, Haas is averaging minimum 9.8 points per game and also 2.4 rebounds per game and also 3.3 assists per game. Like that, these are all the players and also these are all the season stats for them. And when coming to the average fantasy points in this season, what does that mean? Average fantasy points in the sense the player how much is scoring minimum fantasy points in this season. Like that, when we coming to the starters of the support, Haas. Haas is nothing but he is a point guard and he is scoring minimum 19.8 fantasy points per game. When coming to the Pelicanas, he is scoring 18.5 fantasy points per game. When coming to the Carroll, he is scoring 22 fantasy points per game. When coming to the Leonzek, he is scoring 23 fantasy points per game. When coming to the Dominic, he is scoring 26 fantasy points per game. When coming to the bench players, you are taking at the starters as the starters as the starting players. When coming to the bench players, Morton scored 17.5 fantasy points per game. Kolanda scored 21 fantasy points per game. When coming to the M Kolanda, there are two types. There are two players, Kolanda, M Kolanda and another Kolanda. So M Kolanda is scoring a minimum 15 fantasy points per game. When coming to the Dabrova, see the season stats of these players, and the starters are the Murray, Andy, Eliza Wilson, Michael Novakovsky, and also Sacha Kilia Jones. These are the starters. Those are the starters, and also their season stats are like Murray is scoring 17.6 fantasy, 17.6 points per game, 6.6 rebounds per game, and also 5.4 assists per game. Like that, these are the players' season stats, season player stats. Nothing but they are averaging minimum this like in a different aspects like rebounds, assists, and also points. When coming to the fantasy points, how these players are scoring minimum fantasy points in this season. When coming to the starters, Murray is scoring minimum 35 fantasy points per game. Remember, he is scoring minimum 35 fantasy points per game, not points. It is nothing but a fantasy points per game. When coming to the Andy, he is scoring 20 fantasy points per game. When coming to the Wilson, he is scoring 21 fantasy points per game. And Michael is scoring 15 fantasy points per game. And when coming to the Jones, is scoring minimum 37 fantasy per game in this season. When coming to the bench pairs of Dabrova, Whiten is scoring 21 fantasy points per game. Mikola scoring 21 fantasy points per game. And also Marek scoring 8 fantasy points per game. So these are the players' season stats as well as the fantasy points, how they are scoring fantasy points in this season. So when coming to the team stats, we have to check the team stats to make a balanced team. Let's come to the support team. Support is they are scoring minimum 82 points per game in this season. Remember, they are scoring 82 points per game in this season, and also they are allowing 75 points to the opponents. So they are scoring minimum 82 points per game, and also they are allowing just 75 points to the opponents. When coming to the rebounds, they are grabbing 35 rebounds per game, 34.8 rebounds per game, and also they are making an assist. They are making 19.1 assists per game, and also see the ranks of this season. In points, they are ranked at 7th position. Also in rebounds, they are ranked at 7th position again. In assists, they are ranked at 4th position, and also in points allowed, also they are just 4th rank. They are under 5th position. In two aspects, they are under 5th position, and in two aspects, they are under 10th position. So remember, support team is a very strong team when coming to the Dabrova, because they are allowing fewer points to the opponents, and also they are grabbing more rebounds per game, offensively and also defensively. So offensively they are grabbing 8.6 rebounds per game, and also defensively they are grabbing 26 rebounds per game. When coming to the Dabrova is scoring 77.9 points per game, and also they are allowing minimum 88 points to the opponents. Remember, they are allowing more points to the opponents. When coming to the support, they are allowing fewer points to the opponents. When coming to the Dabrova, they are allowing more points to the opponents. And also in rebounds accepts, remember, and also these are Dabro is also a very good team in defensively in grabbing the rebounds defensively because they are grabbing minimum 34 rebounds per game. When coming to the assists, they are giving only 16. They are making only 16.7 assists per game. So these are the team stats. When coming to the support and Dabrova, support is a stronger team and also they are allowing fewer points to the Dabrova. When coming to the dream 11 position wise players and also their credits, so this is an important note because from this note you have to make a balanced team. For suppose I'm taking as a Dabrova team first. I'm taking first as a Dabrova team. When coming to the Dabrova point guard, there are three players. There are four players in the point guard: Mure, Mazrazik, and also Weiss Jorak, and also Sijoakas. Last two players are not that much important because they are not even playing in the bench. Also, when coming to the first two players, Mure and also Mazurkazak. Mure is an important pick. He is, even though he is a 16.5 credits per game, 16.5 credits, he is scoring minimum 35 fantasy points as we have seen above. So when coming to the shooting guard, Wilson, Paisovic and also Krozak. Last two players are again not that much important, but Wilson is also important player, but he is scoring minimum fantasy points game, fewer fantasy points per game. And also his grades are 14 grades. Let's see how to make a balanced team with these grades. When coming to small forward, Novakovsky, Ratazak, and also because last player is not that much important, but first two players are important players because they are playing as a they are in the squad. Remember, when coming to the power forward, in power forward, no player from the Dabrova is playing. Remember, no player from the Dabrova is playing as a power forward. When coming to the center, Kilea Jones and also Motilevsky and Paduch. Last two players are not that much important, but Jones is an important pick for this game because he is scoring minimum 37 fantasy points per game. After Murray, Jones is an important pick because Jones is averaging minimum 37 fantasy points per game. And also Murray is averaging only 35 fantasy points. When coming to the fantasy points, Jones is averaging more than Murray. And also his grades are nothing but 14.5 grades when compared to the Jones. When compared to the Murray. So when coming to the support, remember support is an important support is a strong team. Even though Murray and Jones are important picks, but support is a strong team. When coming to the support point guard, Palukinas and Kolenda, these are the two players from the point guard position. When coming to the shooting guard, Gruzeski, Haas are the important players from the shooting guard for support team. Support team. And coming to the small forward, Morten and Kolenda are the important players from the support team. When coming to the power forward, Leonzik, Kovalenko, Klava are the players playing, but only the important thing is Leonzik is an important pick because no other playing for the power forward is playing between these two teams. Only Leonzik is playing as a power forward. So he is a must pick. He can give you minimum 23 fantasy points per game. When coming to the center, Voliznik Dominic is nothing but a Voliznik, his full name, and Rompa is not even playing. So Dominic is an important player from the center position of the support team. When coming to the top players, Murray, Jones, Dominic, because these are all the players who is scoring minimum 25 fantasy points per game. But Murray and Jones is averaging minimum 35 fantasy points per game. When coming to the top bench players, Kolanda, Vitanis and also Mikolas. These are the important top bench players who is averaging minimum 20 fantasy points per game. So nothing but a next note is high ownership players. What do we mean by high ownership? These are the players selected by most of the people, but they are scoring only minimum fantasy points per game. So for example, Leonzik, he is from the power forward, selected by 72%, but he was giving only 23 fantasy points per game. But remember one point, in that position, no other player is there to pick into a roster. Only Leonzik is a player to pick into a roster. So he is an important pick, even though he is scoring minimum fantasy points per game. He is an important player from that position. When coming to the Carroll shooting guard, selected by 77%, but he was giving only 22 fantasy points per game. Remember, he is scoring only 22 fantasy points per game. in the last 2 months itself, September and October. And when coming to them, these are the high ownership players selected by most of the people but scoring minimum fantasy points per game. In shooting guard, we have so many players. If you want, you can leave that Karol. You have so many players like Wilson, Haas, Marek, and Michael. Haas is an important pick because he is just 8.5 credits and also he is scoring minimum 20 fantasy points per game. So make a balanced team with those stats, and also head-to-head stats will be given in the app itself before 30 minutes of the game deadline. And also thanks and all the best. Make the balanced team with these stats. Thank you.